Okay, I tried to make this video before and uh, my laptop died, not even my camera. So, so I'm gonna go through how I do my trading account, and so I think it's pretty helpful because going to trading journey, you're going to go through these things where you're going to have these setbacks. You understand? And I just want to show you guys that even me, I mess up all the time. I've been on many accounts, you know what I'm saying? And this is just the beginning. You understand? So if anybody's gone through this, or if anybody has gone through this, then yeah, I don't know. Okay, so I'm just here to show you guys how I built my trading account. The other day I passed phase one of my challenge last week. Did it in 7 days, and this week I ended up blowing my account just due to like little small psychological mistakes. And I'm just trying to document it right here so I can show you guys exactly what I'm talking about and exactly how it happened. Okay, so on Thursday, I got into the market at around later than I was supposed to. We got into the market around like 8 o'clock. So 8 o'clock, we're looking like right here. You understand? Usually for me, I would take a setup looking like this. You understand? So this would be my setup. Simple accumulation distribution. On 5 minute, I'm looking. So I got into the market. I seen that we were making lower lows, and then around here we broke structure, signaling the beginning of an uptrend. Come back here, down here. You understand? We see a decrease in sell volume and an increase in buy volume. So this would be my trade for today. This would have been my trade for today. Sorry, I would have got in, I'd have got out. My stop would have been around here. I'd have got in. Where's the next? This would have been my trade for the day. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Came into the market late, ended up seeing that, oh, I missed a trade. I then got very eager to get in on another trade. So seeing that we were starting the beginning of a uptrend, I thought to myself, you know what? Let me try to get in right here. Understand? This level right here was like a previous month POC. And POC is just the point of control. This is where the most volume is from the previous month, right? So this is where the sellers and the buyers are kind of like battling for position. But below the POC means sellers are in control. Above the POC means that the buyers are in control. So I started seeing that we're above the previous month POC, signaling buyers coming into the market and they're in control. So I ended up taking a position, but in my mind, I'm like, you know what? I'm getting in a little bit too early. So I ended up taking a position probably like right here on like this candle. And somehow I don't know how or what I did, but let me tell you this. I don't know because when I'm looking at it now, I don't understand how I got stopped out because to me, if I got into the market here, I would have placed my stop right here. You understand? But that didn't happen. So I ended up somehow getting stopped out. I ended up somehow getting stopped out and I took a loss, 750. It's okay. That's nothing for me. Like after two losses that I'm out of the game for sure, you know. But I guess I wasn't really satisfied with that loss. So I came into the market again. I'm like, you know what? So maybe we are maybe maybe the buyers, I mean, maybe the sellers are in control. You understand? Maybe the sellers are getting into the market. So I end up taking a sell position around here and ended up, the price ended up shooting up here. Okay, so you know what I did? From the previous day, I had three contracts on. So the three contracts ended up hitting my initial, how do you call it? Like, so that 750 where I might as well, I would have probably put it down here for two contracts. I ended up putting it probably a little bit closer due to the fact that I had three contracts on. So I got stopped out very early. So the same thing happened. I put on three contracts again. It ended up shooting back. You understand? I'm like, damn, I did get into the market a little bit too early. So now I'm in here, getting chopped up. And the second trade, I lost way too much money. I'm like, damn, let me get it back. That's where my mind starts saying, okay, let me revenge trade. Let me try to see if I can make it back for the group. You understand? Because we've been doing so well. I feel invincible. I haven't been taking losses like that. Let me see if I can get it back. At the end of the day, when you show people your results, you kind of want to keep showing them the same results. You understand? So I ended up getting in again for another buy. You understand? And for that buy, I got in. We're up, but whilst we were up, I guess that's where my greed started to set in because it's like since I was down so much, I'm like, bro, I gotta make more money. So around, let's go back here. I think you can see it clear around the 1 minute. That's why I'm bringing you guys to the 1 minute. Um, damn, I don't know what's going on. I have no idea where the candlesticks are. Okay, so I don't really like to switch. I don't like to switch that much. Okay, there's a gap here. I didn't even notice that. Oh, okay, right back here. So around this time, I'm up a little bit of money. So I'm up around 800 to wait, 800 to $1,000 around this time. But around this time, I got in really late. I got in around 960. You understand? So I'm up, but I'm not up as much as I would like to be. So around 8:30, we had some news. The news went wild. We end up going here. Around this time, my take profit is like right here. So mind you, I mean not my take profit, my SL. So mind you, I wanted to get in here. I got in. Let's see around here. My SL is here, and we're here. But if you could zoom out, it's gonna be harder to show you guys on this thing, but my TP is around here. So I'm down quite a bit. You understand? And then we end up getting so heavy sell volume on the news release. And ever since then we started having more and more sellers entering the market. But now that I'm stuck in this trade, I'm like, damn, I wanted to just go back to, 800 or 1,000. Comes back, but never makes a higher high. So all of this is signaling to me, bro, like you should get out of this trade. Well, I ended up not getting out of the trade. I ended up staying into the trade, and I ended up getting stopped out around right before market opens. So I end up getting stopped out around here. And after this, I'm like, damn, I'm down. I'm like $500 from blowing my account now. You understand? And now I'm here looking. I'm like, damn, like I gotta do something. You understand? Market opens, take another buy position, and we get swept. Swept. So that's how I blew my account. And I'm just saying, like, with trading, you gotta follow your plan. I obviously have a detailed plan right here. But at the end of the day, sometimes psychologically, sometimes you're not in the right space to start trading. Like for me, I got into the market, I was very exhausted. I was tired from the night prior, and I got in and I couldn't wait for my set. I didn't have no patience. If I had patience, I would have been able to probably get $1,000, you know, whoopty for the day, and I would have been done. But because I didn't have that, because my mental wasn't there, it ended up making me do like a string of mistakes. After the first mistake, led to the second mistake, to a bigger mistake, and it just was like a dominoes effect. So I just wanted to share that with you guys and just let you guys know that it's not over. At the end of the day, when I get better, if I make the mistakes that you guys are gonna make that you guys are probably going to make, that you guys can see me do it and learn how not to do it or what to do after. Understand? So I'm gonna get back into trading, but what I do personally, like after if I blow a account or anything, I like to take some time to reflect, refine my strategy, think about what I did right, what I did wrong. You understand? So this is why a trading journal is very important. So you can look at the data, look at all these things. It's like the scientific method. You gotta try things and then you figure out if this works, then you continue. If it doesn't work, you try something else. You understand? So that's basically what we do in trading. You understand? We look, test, analyze. You understand? And then we try again. So that's basically it. And I hope you guys are. I hope you guys stay on the charts and you guys keep doing what you're doing and keep putting in the work. So at the end of the day, I'm back in the lab, and the next challenge, I'm gonna do better.